didn't know you were still here. Yeah, I thought you'd be out having fun by now. What? No, I'm fine. I'm just hanging out, looking by the window. No, not longingly. As if I'd want to see some fireworks. I'm not a kid, you know. And besides, they're just too bright and loud and, well, just the exact opposite of me. Huh? Yeah, you can sit with me. You don't need to stick around here for too long, though. You probably have plans, right? No? Well, then I guess we're in the same boat. Huh? You surprised me. No, I like your head pats. I was just zoned out. Please keep going. Why'd you stop? Fine, I'll tell you what's wrong, just I really like when you play with my hair. It's really just this day. I don't like it. Never properly celebrating, doing nothing, sleeping through it, being alone. I hate it. But I guess one day I kind of just stopped trying. Do I want to see them? What? What's that supposed to mean? You're always so unrealistic. We haven't even made any plans. You're really gonna make me say I wanna go? Just take my hand and drag me along with you. Like always, right? Whoa. Slow down. I'm gonna fall. No, really, I can't keep up. Where are we even going? They're beautiful. I I guess I forgot what they looked like. Not loud, but present. I guess they're a lot like you. Hmm. Thank you. It's really just us out here in this field, huh? Did you know this place would be perfect to see them? Let's sit down. I need to catch my breath, I think. You'll lend me your shoulder, right? It's funny. I really thought I'd never see them again. I thought I'd only keep having lonely nights on this day. I really wish you were there. Back then, I mean. What am I saying? You're here now, and that's all that should matter. Just promise me you won't leave me alone. Promise that you won't go. I want to stay just like this, with you. Please say you do too. Then we're stuck with each other now. You know what that means, right? That means you need to take me next year too. In this same spot. can't say no because you changed what this day means for me.